Welcome. I've got a cool one for us today. We're going to unbox the Highline Motorsports Fiberglass Sunroof for a BMW E30. So I am in the process of repainting my E30 and it was in pretty rough shape. The sunroof, I've actually got it right here, and it's got all kinds of rust bubbling up inside, and I just didn't want to deal with it. It would be kind of more work than it's worth just finding a new one. And thankfully, these guys, Highline Motorsports, they've got one that they make. It looks like from their website, they make really cool custom canoes and stuff like that out of fiberglass, carbon fiber, and Kevlar, and they just so happen to be E30 enthusiasts. Whoa. Sorry, this thing is huge. Forget that it's like a full-size sunroof. But we're just gonna unbox it and take a look at it in a closer view. So this is what it comes with. They've got a cool sticker, thank you. And we're just gonna go open one of these guys up and take a look at it nice and close. And it looks like it's really well packaged, which I appreciate. Obviously, when you buy something that's somewhat fragile, you want it to be in good shape when you get it, and the packaging looks really nice. Ooh, nice. Man, this is like bubble wrap city, I love it. Maybe we can just pull it from the inside here. Oh, it is really well packaged. And I appreciate that. Like, I'm not saying that it shouldn't be. It's just, look at that. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Sorry, we'll get you back in focus here shortly. Ooh. Okay. That thing is awesome so far. Let's just take a look. Yeah, that looks really quality. You can see the panel bond and everything inside of it. These are actually metal. The tabs on the side are actually metal. Woo! This is the best unboxing ever. Dude, it looks phenomenal. I'll get the camera and bring it in closer, but for a composite piece, I mean, the edges look really well trimmed. This doesn't look like a joke at all. I was very concerned because I couldn't find much online about it. Oh man, that is nice. Yeah, I couldn't find much online about it. I know people had bought their carbon fiber roofs, but I hadn't seen anything like this. So let me just jump up closer and we'll do a little bit of closer shot here. So we'll do a little bit of handheld action here. I'll try to be as smooth as I can, but you can see there's actual metal tabs where everything connects right here, and it looks like that they use the really heavy-duty panel bond, this adhesive down inside here, which is very standard in the composites industry. From what I've researched, that's really what you do to connect metal to a composite like that in a lot of ways. And this inner piece looks really well trimmed. There's nothing weird that I would see about it. Feels solid, honestly. It's very lightweight. When I mean solid, I mean it just feels like a quality piece. And I definitely feel like quality is in the experience. And so far, I mean, this looks like a new roof. Very, very cool. Yeah, and then I'm gonna weigh it here in a second because I actually have my scale. But from the top, I mean, it looks absolutely fine. It already has like the gel coat finish on it. There's absolutely like no blemishes on the sides. Nothing weird that I've seen so far. Like, I'm looking over it like a hawk because, you know, it wasn't exactly an inexpensive piece. I want to make sure that it's in good condition when I get it, and it definitely feels really nice. So I guess what's next is we weigh it, and we'll throw it on the scale. Let me just put the camera back up and we'll go from there, because I've got the OEM Rusty Boy over here to compare it against. So here we go. Okay, I've got the scale set up. I'll try to zoom in a little bit. Sorry for those that aren't on the Imperial system, but this is in pound ounces. So let's weigh this, see what it weighs. 3.15 pounds. And I believe it, this thing weighs almost nothing. When I hold it in my hands, it just feels very lightweight. But once again, very quality. When I try to flex it in my hands, it feels like it's really built for production. Okay, who wants to guess what the stock one's gonna weigh? I mean, this one genuinely like takes my effort. 12.13. So it's a third of the weight of a stock one. So basically 8 pounds lighter. So yeah, you get an added benefit of taking some weight off the top of your car. At the same time, you get a sick new fiberglass boy. But yeah, that's it. I'm gonna do an update when I get it all painted and set up. It's hopefully gonna go to paint here shortly. And yeah, but yeah, there's Highline right there, Highline Motorsports. Go check them out. So far, this thing looks awesome. I don't doubt that all their other composite products are good. We're gonna try it on the car, make sure it fits, and we'll keep you updated. But thanks for watching. And if you like to see more stuff like this, consider giving us a subscribe. And if you really want to keep following along and help out the cause, consider being a member or give a super thanks. Thank you.